going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I want to share with you my honest review and honest opinion about these two amazing programs. The first one is 72-hour challenge, and the second one is the passive affiliate profits, right? And these are the two programs that I'm actually promoting out there, and I'm getting good amount of conversions from it. That's when I decided to do a review about this amazing system and programs, right? And these two system is actually built by two very successful persons. First one is done by Jonathan Montoya, and he's the creator of many programs, including the 72-hour challenge, which I'll show you on the inside very soon. And the second one is passive affiliate profits, which is done by also a very successful online entrepreneur called Zach Crawford, right? So let's get into the video, and I'll share with you my screen so we can get started. Right? Again, if you are new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and I create videos about affiliate marketing. So if you like this style of content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so every time I upload a new video you get notified, right? So let's get into the video, and first let me review this awesome system, right? So the 72-hour challenge is done by Jonathan Montoya, right? And you can literally get started with the system for as little as $9, right? So $9, which is like a lot of money, pay a lot of money on different things, buying coffee every single day, that's like $4, $3, right? So you can just add that over the whole week. So this system is allowing you to start making $100,000 per year. Just get started with only $9, right? And the good thing about this system, which I really love, is Jonathan Montoya gives you access to his high ticket program. You can actually promote out there, right? So in here you can see this program is literally worth $2,500, but when someone joins the system they pay $1,400, and you get 50% of that, which is like $750, $700, right? So you can actually do the math on that. Most of the time when you actually join any affiliate marketing system or company, you have to just get started, for example, for $1,000 to earn the $1,000, right? But with this, you literally get started for as little as $9, and you earn up to, what I said is 50% of this is $750. So which is just awesome, right? And pretty much he actually teaches you how to send traffic to the system and everything, and you can also clone his entire system, right? Just with a click of a button, right? And make sure you also stay till the end, because I'll share with you what I'm actually doing with this system and how I'm actually promoting this, so you can take this and implement into your own affiliate marketing business, right? So now let's get into passive affiliate profits, right? So this is a system done by very successful online entrepreneur called Zach Crawford, and this is his $7 program, right? So if someone actually joins the system and they decide to take his mentoring sessions, they get started for I don't know how much, right? And pretty much you earn up to $1,000, right? So you can literally get started for $7 and you earn about up to $1,000, which is, to me, is just awesome, right? And you can also promote this actual system, which actually looks like this, right? So it just has like a whole bunch of testimonials, and I just really love how everything is set up here, right? So you get a huge amount of commission and everything, right? And pretty much you can also promote his Facebook group as well, right? Which he gives you the link. So when someone actually goes ahead and joins his Facebook group, right? I just share with you what he actually looks like. So here, and he actually tells you like which people are earning income from his system, right? And he does that on a daily basis, because when your lead actually comes to his page, right, they just get sold just like that, because these people are just making money on autopilot, right? And that's how you actually promote the system. And for example, if you send a lead onto his page in here, you can and these people, your leads, actually see all these things, all these testimonial, and they just get what that they want to get started with this system, right? So what they do is they book a call with the Zach Crawford's teams, and so that way they actually close the sale for you as well, right, on the call, which is just awesome. And I really love this system. 7-figure affiliate marketing secrets, and a lot of successful people online actually got started with Zach Crawford system, right? And has been in the online space for a very long time. He's got a lot of testimonials, a lot of successful students, right? So if you're thinking about joining this system, I highly recommend it, and you can just literally get started for as little as $7, what I actually mentioned to you, right? So these two programs are really awesome. But the thing that I actually see is the Jonathan Montoya and Zach Crawford actually tell you how to build your system using ClickFunnels, right? ClickFunnels has been around for a very long time. It's awesome software, and I really loved it. I used to use it before, but when I actually got started, I literally just didn't have that much money to be spending about like $99, $120 on ClickFunnels, right? So that's when I actually stumbled upon this system here called the HBA Funnel Builder, right? And you can use this system, but I highly recommend you to use it because this is a ClickFunnels alternative. And this system also pays you recurring commission, right? So month after month you get paid, and like ClickFunnels actually charges you about $99 or $120 per month, whereas this system you can just start for as little as $25. And with that $25, this system also pays you 80% commission, right? Which is huge because Amazon pays you like about 10, 5%, 2%, right? And this actual system pays you about 80% commission, right? And you literally have all this training. And for complete beginner, if they haven't built any sort of funnel, in here is just literally step by step, right? What you need to do to build a funnel, which I really love. Just to give you an example, like what a funnel looks like, this is a funnel that I actually built for my team, right? So you can look at this, and this is also another system that I'm promoting together with 72-hour challenge and also passive affiliate profits. And literally when someone enters their name and email address, their details get stored on the back end, and so they start getting emails on autopilot, right? So literally, and the way that they actually designed this is pretty much you send traffic onto their system and they follow up. But the way I do it is a little bit different. I don't want to send like my leads to their system, is because like they get to promote their own stuff, right? And they're actually getting the free traffic, right? Which I don't want. I want to capture people's emails first, so that way I can market to them whatever products or affiliate things that I'm actually promoting out there, right? And they're actually my lead because I paid for those traffic, right? So the way that I actually promote this system is for 72-hour challenge. I have created my YouTube channel, and I'm actually promoting this system specifically with content marketing, right? And which Jonathan Montoya teaches you with this, right? But for passive affiliate profits, I found that solo ads really works with this system, right? Not every affiliate offers actually converts with solo ad, but with Zach Crawford's passive affiliate profits, this converts very well with solo ads. And if you don't know what solo ads is like a push button strategy where you send traffic into the funnel, and that's how I'm actually able to convert my leads into sales, right? And you can just send people into this page, and pretty much they get to convert, they join the Facebook group, and that's where Jonathan Montoya and his team actually close up the high ticket affiliate system for you, right? So literally you can just send as much traffic onto passive affiliate profits, and when they actually go ahead and buy, and then you can also promote your other products or services that I have. So the way I actually do it is I first get a buyer through passive affiliate profits, and then I send those buyers to buy this funnel builder, because most of the time people, they don't have that much money to be able to build a funnel, and this funnel builder just costs you like about $25, right, a month. So this is not a huge amount of investment compared to ClickFunnels, where they charge you about $99, $120 a month, right? So these are the system that I'm actually promoting out there, and I'm getting huge amount of results. Like I said, 72-hour challenge converts really well with short form content, but I found that with passive affiliate profits, it actually converts a lot better with solo ads, right? And if you want to know what solo ads are, there's gonna be a video just popping up on the screen now, so you can find out what solo ads are and how you can also get results with solo ads. So again, all the resources will be in the description section below. If you want to ask any question, leave in the comment section below, so I'll be very quick to reply to your message. And I hope this video helped you out, and let me know how's your affiliate marketing business going as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all.